Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing a review on Scott Pilgrim vs. the World on Birds of Prey. Here's Scott Pilgrim vs. the World. This came in 2010. It's a 12. There's a side, there's a back. It's on for 1 hour and 47 minutes, and the DVD extras are on for 33 minutes, and this 2 DVD extras on for 3 hours and 48 minutes. It's 12 contains moderate violence, sex services, and bleep strong language. 221st to 12 is not just by 21st for the age. Here's a bonus disc. And there's a disc. Here's Birds of Prey. This came in 2020. It's 15. There's a side. There's the other side. There's a back. It's on for 104 minutes. That's for 50. Contains strong violence, injury, detail, language, sexual threat. Situated for us of 15 years old, not just by 31st for the age. And there's a disc. So yeah guys, thank you for watching my video. See you in the next video and goodbye.